Hi, this is Paul from GrowVC. This tutorial will show you how to evaluate startups in your network. We're starting today in the main GrowVC network in the dashboard at the moment. So let's find a startup that we want to evaluate. We'll go to the startups section and let's take one of the startups that's just joined the network. So now we're on the startups page. And over in the top right hand side you'll see these buttons: comment, follow, evaluate and invest. If you want to evaluate the startup, click the evaluate button and a pop-up appears showing all the different scorecards that you can use to evaluate the startups in this network. So scorecards are like questionnaires that you can fill in for each startup in your particular network. In the main GrowVC network there are currently two scorecards you can use, one called reality check and one called cross-examination, but these are entirely up to you and to your network's preferences. Let's say we want to use the reality check questionnaire. The questions appear at the bottom. The first question here is under the problem and it is: how relevant is the problem? You can see as you mouse over each option you can see what each number represents for the answers. So let's click it's a relevant problem. And then the next question appears. And so on. You can skip between questions using these arrows at the top. And you can choose to change the access for your scoring. Now if you click save, your assessment, your evaluation will be forwarded to the owner of the startup, and hopefully they'll be able to use your feedback to improve and to do better. We're seeing this used a lot, particularly in angel investing and pitch events, where the feedback from the angels or the panel is really crucial for the startups to be able to take on board and learn from and hopefully get to the right stage of development they need to be in. That's it. That's how you can evaluate startups in your network. For more information, please drop me an email at paul@growvc.com.